So we have the Page of Pentacle and the Eight of Swords and the High Priestess. This is your card, by the way. So I see a lot of secrets are being hidden in this connection. We also have Two of Wands. I see you're at crossroads with somebody, okay? Someone is not honest with what they feel and how they feel about you. This could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius that you're dealing with, or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I see someone is very immature. You are in the High Priestess energy, which is a very mature energy, but you're dealing with a page, someone who just keeps you at crossroads. They don't tell you how it is, what it is. They might be having another option as well. You have an intuition about it. So I think some secrets are there here, and the other person thinks that they can fool you. So they think that they are hiding something from you and you don't know. But that's not the case. I see you very well know what's happening beneath the surface, and you're just waiting for the right moment to say things. So right now you're accumulating everything and you're waiting for the right moment when time will be right, and you will be basically telling this person that I always knew what you were up to. Okay, someone is just very brain fucked over the situation. Five of Wands. Your connection is being hampered by an outer interference. Okay, so there could be a third party situation possibly, or maybe friends or family, or someone is trying to influence the situation. So I see that somebody is trying to influence you or the person that you're dealing with, and because of this connection can just come crumbling down, or it already did. Okay, so a lot of people try to influence the situation by telling their opinion and maybe gossiping and etc., and because of which the connection became very chaotic. Let's see what Pisces is feeling here in this connection, please. Five of Swords. You definitely feel cheated and manipulated. You think that somebody manipulated you, possibly a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but can be any sign. Eight of Cups. You're trying to basically pick the remaining pieces and move on because you think the damage has been done. You think this person has hurt you really bad. They were hiding things from you. They were gossiping about you. Whatever secrets you told to them, they basically went out and told to others, and the other people came back and told to you, and maybe that's because of all this you feel very cheated and manipulated. Three of Wands. You're just waiting for making a way out of this connection. You don't want to be here with this person. You're trying to basically move on graciously. So it's not that you are trying to fight back, but you're just like sort of picking up your remaining pieces and move on. Nine of Cups. For your mental stability. So for your mental stability, for your peace of mind, you just want to leave peacefully. What is the feeling of this person towards my Pisces? What is this person feeling towards my Pisces, please? So we have Strength in the reverse. I don't really have reverse cards, but here it came in the reverse. Yeah, this person is not feeling in their power. So it's like whatever game they were playing, they thought that it would never come out and they thought you will never know, but you somehow got to know about it, and this person feels very powerless right now. Okay, they feel very discouraged about it, and they're sort of feeling ashamed that whatever they were trying to plot against you or do against you, you got to know about it. Page of Wands. They somehow want to come back and communicate with you though, so they just don't want to see you leave, but they will be coming back and trying to explain situation to you. So expect that from this person, especially if it's an Aries, Leo, Sag. They will come back and try to tell you things and explain what it was. So they would want to make you see things differently of what you are already doing. Three of Pentacles. Yeah, this person do not want you to leave like that. They will be coming back and trying to sort situation with you. This person's intentions towards my Pisces though. What are the intentions now? Page of Swords. This person is keeping tabs on you. They don't really have very good intentions about you. We also have the Tower card. Somehow this person got exposed and they're not liking it. Okay, it's like one of those connections where people play and plot against you, and then you know about it, and then they try to act victim. So this person might try to act victim, right? Knight of Swords. They will be coming back to explain you things, but it's just to come and leave again. So be very careful, okay? Be very careful. And I see that they haven't stopped gossiping about you still. This person's next action towards my Pisces. 9 of Swords. This person is stressed. You know, they are sort of panicking that you got to know whatever they were hiding. So they are stressed and they are trying. Maybe you got to know a secret of theirs. I'm sensing that. Maybe you got to know a very major secret of theirs and now they panic. So what's going to be the outcome? The 8 of Pentacles. The outcome could be that you will just try to focus on yourself, your money and etc. If it's a water sign, you might have a reconciliation with them is what I see. But if it's a fire sign or an earth sign, you would just continue doing you and not pay attention to them. 2 of Swords. I can definitely see that there is a lot of confusion here in this connection. Now the connection has become something which you don't really know if you want it back or not. A lot of people getting involved and becoming very chaotic. 5 of Pentacles and the Hermit card. Yeah, you just don't want to feed onto this connection anymore. You just want to isolate yourself. So either you will be ghosting this person or they will. You just want to turn your back and want to move forward. You don't want to entertain this, especially if it's an earth sign or an air sign. But if it's a water sign, you might just give them another chance, especially Cancer or Scorpio. Any other advice for my Pisces? So the Empress and the 6 of Wands. Some of you, I think you're doing really well in your finances, career or personal life. Don't try to hamper it because of your professional, okay? I think because of all this, you have lost your self-worth and you're struggling to be creative as you are. I think you people are very creative. You could be healers of some sort or you're just very creative. But because of whatever is happening, you're trying to create a doubt in yourself. And you think that you are not good enough. Stop telling that to yourself. You're the best. Okay, you're the best. Believe in yourself always. All right, let's first take a romance angel card for you. Then we'll see from Aries to Pisces. So give me a message for Pisces, please. So we have passion and let your friends help you. As I said, you know, a lot of friends and family getting involved in this connection. Some of you, the friends might also help you to reconnect with this person, make the effort. This person will try to make an effort to come back to you and they might actually ask friends and family to help them. So see to that. A lot of people are trying to influence opinion in this connection. All right, let's take from Aries to Pisces. Give me a message for Aries. Pisces dealing with Aries. They have infidelity issues. They are sneaking out or they are just not very honest about their feelings with you. They might actually be married somewhere else and they were fucking here with you as well. And that got exposed. They might have had a secret family that came out. Sensing that. Taurus. The Taurus. They've cheated you as well. Some of you, you're dealing with a karmic and this Taurus was a lesson for you. This Taurus came in your life to cheat you and teach you a lesson that you should always have your emotions in check and you should not go out of your ways to do things for people, okay? Maybe you were doing a lot in this connection and you should have not. 3 of Wands, just move forward, leave this person behind, okay? All right, Gemini, Pisces dealing with Gemini. They have a lot of passion towards you. But it's just passion and nothing solid and committal. I also see this Gemini hides feelings a lot. So that could be because of some sort of trauma from the past that, you know, they don't come out as honest. Cancer, I forgot. The Cancer is coming out with clear communication with you. They want to, they are rushing in to communicate with you and sort it out with you. The Tower card. I think you just fell apart very suddenly, but they want to come and fix with you. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles. Leo. Pisces with Leo. This Leo shows to you that they are moving on, but they keep tabs on you. And they also feel abandoned by you. So maybe they think that you left them out in the cold. Virgo. Virgo sees you as a wish fulfillment. They think you somehow are someone who they can rely on. So whenever they are in trouble, they can just, always fall back upon you. They also see you as a wish fulfillment. They see you in a very good light, basically. Libra. The Libra is hurt over you. There is a feeling of loss. So maybe you lost a Libra, or they are feeling regretful. Yeah, because of some sort of codependency issues. Maybe you dropped this person and now they are regretting. They want to make it work with you though, but you might just not give them a chance. You are thinking deeply that whether you want them or not. Scorpio. So Scorpio has a lot of passion for you. They might ask you out for a commitment. Okay, they see that you are very bold and upfront and outgoing, and they like that independent nature about you, and they might just ask you for a commitment. But the Scorpio could be more traditional and you might be on the blunt side. Okay. All right. Sagittarius. Sagittarius wants to have a new beginning with you, and they will be doing a lot of emotional talks with you. So when they come back, expect a lot of emotional talks to happen. Capricorn. Capricorn is waiting for the right time to make a move, or they're just waiting for you to make a move. There is also Justice card here. So if they did something wrong to you, they are getting it back. If you did something wrong, you are getting it back. They are trying to manifest you, manifest a communication with you, or vice versa. I see they patiently waiting, and if you're trying to manifest a communication or commitment from them, it's going to be granted. This was for what? Capricorn? Capricorn, right? Aquarius. Pisces with Aquarius. They want to leave the past in the past and they want to move forward with you. They would ask you to do things like, oh, let's leave the past in the past and let's start over. They feel defeated in the situation. So if they left you for someone, they might have left them. So they feel defeated. Yeah, they're very much in the head right now, and they are also hurt over something, and they're having panic attacks. This Aquarius is totally fucked. Yeah, they have been abandoned by someone and now they want to return back to you. Or they're just regretting whatever they did to you. And it was a lot of nastiness with this Aquarius for sure. They were juggling you. Yeah, this Aquarius is a piece of shit. Sorry. Pisces. Pisces, dealing with Pisces. Ooh, they have feelings for you. And you can actually have a promising future with them, Wow. You might actually settle with this person, like marriage and kids and etc. This is a very solid thing with this Pisces going on. So they definitely see you as a wife or a husband, and you can actually be settled together. So this is good. So yeah, that was reading. I hope this helps to resonate. If it does, subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. You guys take care. Bye.